In this video, we are going to learn the syntax of Microsoft Excel's VLOOKUP function. So first, we are going to see the actual syntax which Microsoft Excel shows us, and then we are going to tweak it a little bit for our better understanding. So when we type VLOOKUP tab, so you can see that Microsoft Excel says that the function actually takes lookup value as the first parameter. Then you provide table array, then you provide column index number, and the final parameter is in square brackets. And when I say square brackets, it shows us range lookup. We're going to understand one by one every parameter of this specific function, so you have the understanding how to use this function. So lookup value is the value which you want to look up in a specific table. So this parameter is primarily for the value you want to search in a specific table. VLOOKUP always look for value in a table which is other than this specific range. So this is the first parameter. Then we have table array. When we say table array, it is the range of that specific table in which we want to search something. Then we have column index number. Column index number is the location, is the number of the corresponding column from which you wanna pull the data. Then finally you have range lookup. Range lookup is mentioned over here in curly brackets. So the curly brackets actually means that this specific parameter is optional parameter. So if I say lookup value table array column index number and then range lookup, so which value you want to search, in which range you want to search the value, if found, which corresponding column to return, and then is it a range lookup, true or false. So if I actually tweak the syntax a bit, what I can do is VLOOKUP brackets open. First thing is what to search is the first parameter. Number two, second parameter is where to search. Third parameter is column to return. Then fourth parameter is an optional parameter, which is at a range lookup question mark. So this is what the syntax says: what to search, where to search, if found, which column to return, and is it a range lookup. In next lecture, we are going to go keep this specific syntax in front of us and going to go with a live example. Thank you.